remove what is there. Okay, we have good news. Okay, Jagriti cleared in PwC SDC and she's doing very well in off campus as well, so she'll be sharing her story. Yes, Jagriti. She is from
Yes, thank you, sir.
Rajasthan, right? Rajasthan.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. I'm Jagriti Somani. Sharing my experience with the GSPRIME batch. I joined around 20 days before the batch, and sir helped me from the scratch to build my LinkedIn profile, because LinkedIn is the main place where we can find the opportunities, where we can get the vacancies as well. And Naukri profile optimization was the best thing, because from Naukri profile I got so many calls for the interview sessions, and I almost got selected in many of the companies through Naukri profile. And also in my campus interview, sir helped me a lot through one-to-one guidance. I cleared the interview sessions which were in SDC. The material which was provided by sir regarding any domain, it was so helpful for the preparation, because it's like every one of us is familiar with the concepts, but we all need that brush up of the concept, because as we studied it time before, but brush up is so important for us, because replying at that time with all that things we have read is so important. So the material was super useful to me during my interviews. And also I would say everyone to have a quick brush up on your index concept, because in my PwC interview I was asked so many technical questions around index. So sir's material was so helpful to me in that also. So I had a really wonderful experience here, and I'm so thankful to sir for guiding me. And if I had any issues, he resolved it quite quickly. So I'm so thankful to sir.
And
Thank
SDC
you.
also, you try to get the offer letter in case you're getting any problem. Then you tell me regularly, okay? Because I have many people in SDC. Okay, so I'll see okay, if anything I can do now in that. I'll try to do that. तो अगर कुछ भी दिक्कत आ रहा है तो एक बार मेरे को इन्फॉर्म करते रहिए आप. साथ ही साथ और भी जगह अप्लाई करते रहिए एंड लेट मी नो. ओके 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 गाइस, थैंक यू. ओके जागृति, आप लोग सेम लिंक में वापस आ जाइए प्लीज. ज्वाइन द सेम लिंक. ठीक है.